1915, one of the darkest years in American history as the RMS Lusitania was torpedoed.
A German U-boat torpedoed this ship, killing over 1,000 people. Over 100 of them were American.
This was one of the major events that led toward the USA joining World War I.
The RMS Lusitania was a British ocean liner. An ocean liner is a large commercial ship often carrying passengers.
This one was en route from New York to Liverpool, a city on the western shore of Great Britain.
U-boats were one of the major weapons used by the Germans in World War I sea combat. These were military submarines that the Germans used to attack ocean liners, like the RMS Lusitania. U-boats were usually around 114 feet long.
U-boats used torpedoes as their main way of attacking and was preferable to the deck gun. The deck gun with a good crew could fire around 15 to 18 rounds a minute, when on a small ship, a crew about 3 to 5 people would have to control the deck gun.
A submarine is a watercraft capable of becoming completely submerged. They typically have large crews ranging around 25 to 50 people. A World War I German U-boat could stay submerged for around 12 to 24 hours and could hold around 12 torpedoes.
German submarines also used mines to attack ships. U-boats' movements were controlled by the commander of submarines much more closely than American submarines, which were given lots of independence when they were on patrol. Accordingly, the U-boats usually patrolled separately, often strung out in coordinated lines across likely convoy routes.
The Germans attacked this ship because they believed that it was carrying a large amount of weapons and ammunition necessary for the war effort, along with the passengers on board.
On this ship was around 4 million rounds of Remington .303 bullets. These rounds were used for the Lee Enfield, which was the main weapon used by the British in the World War I period.
Along with the Lee Enfield, other weapons that were often seen were weapons such as the Vickers heavy machine gun
and the Lee Medford, a bolt-action Army service rifle.
In attacking this ship, the Germans broke the Sussex Pledge.
The Germans started going against their promises and started attacking ships again in 1915 and 1916 and officially started waging unrestricted submarine warfare on the February 1st, 1917.
This contributed greatly to America officially declaring war on the Germans on April 6, 1917.